Hey everyone! If your Reolink camera keeps showing that frustrating connection failed error, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you 4 straightforward fixes and stick around till the end because I have a game-changing tip that often solves this problem permanently. Let's dive in. Firmware update. The first thing to check is your camera's firmware. Head over to the official Reolink website, find your exact camera model, and download the latest firmware. You can install it either through the app or a web browser. Firmware updates often fix hidden bugs that could be causing your connection issues. It's a simple step, but it can make a huge difference. Wi-Fi settings. Next, let's talk Wi-Fi. Reolink cameras only work on 2.4 GHz networks, not 5 GHz. Make sure your camera is within range of your router and that both your phone and the camera are connected to the 2.4 GHz band. Also, double check your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Typos are more common than you think. Correct these, and your camera might connect immediately. Power cycle. If the problem persists, try a power cycle. Simply unplug both your camera and router, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This clears temporary glitches and forces a fresh network handshake, which often restores connectivity. Factory reset. Last resort. Finally, if nothing else works, a factory reset can help. Follow the model-specific reset guide from your camera's manual or the Reolink website. Keep in mind, this erases all custom settings, so only use it as a last resort. Here's the game-changing tip. After resetting or updating, reconnect your camera to a different device first, like a tablet, then switch back to your phone. This trick often bypasses stubborn network issues and gets your camera online instantly. And that's it. With these steps, your Reolink camera should be back online and ready to protect your home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech fixes.